Good morning, everyone. This is our film script. Opening scene, the campus montage. Every day, hundreds of students come to Bukidnon State University at Alisayan Satellite Campus to learn. But behind the scenes, there is a challenges that affects comfort, hygiene, and focus. Students walking and tearing classrooms and the teachers preparing their lessons. So class, what should we do? Or what is the plan to get water for our school? Because we really know that there is no water and we cannot wash our hands or flush the comfort rooms. Any ideas nor suggestions? Scene 2, the problem. A girl enters the comfort room. Empty faucets, unflushed toilets, dry hand washing station. It's really empty so that they cannot
Sometimes I can't wash my hands after using the CR. It's uncomfortable. It's affect their
concentration. Students leave the room looking for water. Scene 3, introducing the project. To address this issue, the students develop a structured, smart, and community-based action plan. Scene 4, SMART goal. The main goal is to ensure reliable water access for toilets and hand washing on at least 90% of school days. Scene 5, Strategy 1, Assessing the water situation. Step 1, understanding the situation. Students mapped water points, recorded water flows, and interviewed the campus community. We made checklist, scheduled visit, and documented everything. Scene 6, Strategy 2, Improving water storage. The students propose solutions from water drums to refilling schedules to exploring additional water sources. Scene 7, Strategy 3, Water Conservation Campaign. A strong information campaign turned students from bystanders into partners. Scene 8, Strategy 4, the Water Watch Team. A monitoring team was formed to keep the system running, check leaks, updating logs, and ensuring containers. Scene 9, the timeline. Every step was planned and monitored.
Struggling because school doesn't have enough funds to maintain a proper supply. So most the faucet is work, but sometimes there are no water. So at all, it's hard to focus on my classes when the basis need like maybe water and sanitation. Sanitation are being met student.
There were challenges, limited budget, technical problems, and low engagement. But the group responded, seeking support, adjusting schedule, motivating volunteers. A function faucet, student washing hands, clean CR, classroom full of focused student. And slowly the result appeared. Water became more available, comfort rooms became safer and cleaner. Students feel more comfortable and more confident. Go.
It feels going knowing we help that whole campus.
Scene 11, the impact. And slowly the results appeared. Water became more available. Comfort rooms became safer and cleaner. Students feel more comfortable and more confident. It feels good to know that our work benefits the whole campus. Scene 12, the stakeholders. This project succeed because everyone worked together. Students, faculties, and campus heads. Scene 13, Responsible AI use. AI supported the project, but the real data writing and decision came from the students themselves. Water is not just a resource, it is dignity, it is comfort.